this world.
What happened?
I was trying to build my ponduhan.
You mean rebuild your punduhan, Ingo?
Ayoko na. Hindi ko na talaga kaya to.
Of course you can. You just have to keep on trying. You can achieve anything.
Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga, ganon?
Right. You just have to keep on trying. Never give up. Never, 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 never.
Okay, I will build my ponduhan.
Rebuild, Ingo. Rebuild because you're going to build it again.
Build, rebuild. What difference does it make?
Instead of saying that you will build it again, by adding the prefix re, which means again,
Build becomes rebuild?
yes, that's because of prefix.
Oh, prefix. Ano yun?
Prefix. Prefix is a group of letters that you add at the beginning of the word.
Like re.
Re, exactly. Re means again.
Then the meaning of the word changes.
Yes.
And then... alam ko na. Instead of saying I will build it again, I will say rebuild.
Exactly. Even prefix is a good example. Pre is a prefix that means to go before. To go before.
To go before. Makes sense. You add it at the beginning of a word.
You got it.
To build or to rebuild? That is the question. Halika na, dali. Ayan.
Ingo! I'm going to reheat the salabat, okay? Then you can take a break for a while.
Reheat. Re. Again. To heat again. Okay, Karen, I get it.
He gets what? I think he's talking about the prefix re.
Prefix? What about it?
About how a prefix gives new meaning to a word.
I remember our teacher gave examples of prefix like in and this.
Those are good examples of prefixes. But why do you look so confused?
Why do they turn some words into negative words?
Okay. That's because prefixes like in, this, and on mean not.
Teka. Bago na naman yan, ha?
There are different kinds of prefixes, Ingo. They all have special meanings. Like on, this, and in are all samples of prefixes. They mean something is not. Just add it to the word. And if you don't agree, you simply say, I disagree. And if it's not correct, you say,
You simply say it's incorrect.
oh, goody. Let's all be happy. Don't frown and look unhappy. You'll never get lost with prefix once you know which one to add. And if you know the meaning of the word, I'll repeat it just for the record. On, this, and in are all samples of prefixes. They mean not.
Not.
Try it out and see what you got.
Mas malamig pa to sa ilong ng pusa, eh.
That's why I said I would reheat the salabat. Remember?
Reheat. As in, to heat again. Of course, I remember.
So by adding a prefix at the beginning of a word,
we give that word a new meaning.
Right! Do you know that we use prefixes every day? Watch! Mark. Unmark. Fill. Refill. Agree. Disagree. Isn't it amazing how we can change the meaning of the word by adding a prefix? It does! Try it!
At last!
Oh, it's beautiful, Ingo!
Oh, maraming salamat sa tulong ninyong lahat.
Oh, you're welcome too, and thank you too! Come on, let's try it!
Let's eat inside.
Oh, it's about time! I'm hungry!
Again? Sabagay, ako rin, gutom na eh. Napagod kasi ako eh.
Pero sulit naman ang pagod at gutom natin. Naayos na natin ang punduhan.
And we learned that prefix helps us give words new meaning.
Welcome to my new ponduhan! This is so unfair!
Unfair!
That means not fair! No unfair!
Unfair, unfair, unfair!
Carrots were